it's me, Unicorn Lover, Alyssa, which is Unicorn Lover, and today we are going to be making some slime. I've already got the glue inside the bowl, so yeah. Alright, so yeah. We're going to stir now, and we're going to put some shaving cream in later. It's hard to stir because, like, I didn't put the activator in. I'm going to put the activator in a little bowl because I've got orange glue. So, yeah, it's good. I think it's already turning into slime and we haven't even added the activator in yet. So, the activator is right here. Alright, so now I think that's enough activator. Put some glue. There. I'm sticking my hand in the glue, you guys, I guess. I am a funny person. What am I doing? I don't know what I am doing. Alright, now I just have to get this off the floor that I dropped. Alright, so there. I think I'm going to try to get all of it out. I'm not sure if I can though. I got all my life waiting for you. There we go. Alright, so I'm not going to add any more glue, and I'm just going to keep on stirring until it's slime. It's already turning into slime, guys. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna start mixing with my hands now. I'm scared because I'm gonna try to get it out of the bowl. I'm hopefully gonna do this because I'm not sure if I can. Look how stretchy. And I only use borax and water. And it's this stretchy. I love this. I love this slime. I love this slime. This is my most favorite slime I've ever made. Most favorite slime I've ever made. Oh, and it's also got some beads in it too. I just taught you how to make orange slime. Wow. You just get the glow-in-the-dark orange glue, if you can find it. I got mine for cheap at elmersglue.com. You can get yours for cheap at elmersglue.com also. It's only $5 at elmersglue.com. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to make a bubble and see if I can. Almost. Oh guys, almost. Alright, so I am waiting by playing with my slime for it to get not sticky. So I think I'm going to add some hand sanitizer in a minute. So I'm going to put it back in the bowl, and I'm going to go wash my hands, and blah, blah, blah. Alright. I'm back, and I got the hand sanitizer. At least the slime is coming off very well. Oh, it's making it stickier. It's making it so how smooth. I gotta add some into the slime in a few more minutes. Take it out of the bowl without. I'm adding slime onto my hands. Yeah, it won't be sticky slime. And then I'm gonna go. Oh, my hands up now. Guys, my papa still hasn't come back in the house, and I'm not doing okay. No sticky, yay! Hey, let's try to make a bubble again. Let's move all this stuff out of the way. Come on, flush. No. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dang it. It's getting stickier, guys. I'm gonna put some hand sanitizer to get the baby thing in trouble. Oh god, I'm gonna get in trouble. Because I literally got slime all over this table. This isn't even my house. This is my Brenda's house. Why? Really, the slime thing is sticking to the whatever it's called. Hand sanitizer. Why? Oh my god. Wow, great. This is great slime. I want to go look out the window and see what. I'll take you guys with me. No, no, no. Please don't get on my case. With slime. Ew. 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 There we go. I don't see him in the backyard, so he might be in the front yard. Nope. And nope. So he's probably in the backyard. Because I don't see him in the front yard. So yeah. I just got slime all over that curtain. Oh my god. I'm gonna get in big trouble with this slime. I mean, like, I have made slime before, and I haven't made it this sticky though. Well, I was not meaning it for it to be this sticky. I mean, like, it's very stretchy and I love it. But, like, I have to put hand sanitizer on every 3 minutes because of it. I can't even roll the thing. It just spreads it out. I'm a great rolling pin. If you need me to massage you, I'm a great massager. Now it's rolling. Now it's rolling. I'm gonna get a little piece of it right now. Like get like a medium-sized piece of it like this. Cause like in the movies they have like slime like this, and then they put like. Alright, so my. Almost. Alright, whatever. Alright, guys. So, thanks for